Guys, today we're unboxing this new product of stuff for the GoPro. So let's open it up and see what we got. We got a paper. We have a bag of the stuff. And that's all. So let's open the bag up. So, we got the, it's very hard to get out. We have the GoPro chest. We have the GoPro chest, so we hook it on like this. Here it is on. So you just peg these right here so it doesn't fall off. This is where the GoPro goes. Then you put your arms through a hole with these little straps, put them inside these. Bye guys, hope you like my video. More subscribes and thumbs up.